Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike for smartoptiontrading.com. It is Tuesday, the 11th of March, and I'm going to put this video out there as a state of the market and where we're at as we're going into a big couple days here in this market. The S&P 500, we had a wicked sell-off yesterday. This morning, it looked like we are going to bounce. Uh, Tariff news, all kind of stuff hit right as the market put in a high of the day on the SPY and on the Qs, and down we came. We put a new low in of 55.0202. Good enough for a 10% correction in the market. We missed it by 12 cents on 500 something bucks. It's close enough. Market had a nice bounce as we had more news. This time it was talk that a ceasefire has been reached by the United States with Ukraine, and now they're going to try to get Russia to agree to the same. And we had talk of Canada and U.S. both backing down somewhat on tariffs and threats over electricity. Nice little bounce here, but could not hold it. And here we are back red with about 20 minutes to go. Volume remains elevated. We're at 67 million shares today. Yesterday, we did do just under 100 million, and overall volume remains high. We do have big data. Tomorrow we have CPI, Wednesday, Thursday PPI, Friday Michigan consumer sentiment, inflation expectations. Tomorrow we're looking for a good reading. We want a reading to be less than what it is. Too weak, and it could show signs that the consumer is really for what it's worth, weakening, and we're losing, the consumer continues to weaken and go away. We're looking for a number that's probably just a little light. That would be probably what the market's looking for tomorrow. So we're bouncing here today. Does this mean this is over? I don't know. I still think we need a bigger flush than this to clear out some of what's going on. But, a good CPI, PPI, and some data, we could push back up. As we push up, levels to watch. You need to take back the 200 and the 8-day. That's your first big area. They're almost together here. And then back above that, we can rally. Keep in mind, above 569.54 on the SPY, there's a gap that works its way all the way up here to the 575.90 area. So, we can get a nice big bounce in this market and it's still not changing. You can get all the way back up here. You can even bounce all the way up to the 21 day and still, look, not really change the character yet. What else is going on out there? So the Qs here, they were stronger today. The Qs tried to lead this rally. They're still green. The VIX, for what it's worth, oops, VIX is back inside the Bollinger Band. We've been watching this game back and forth. We'll see how it goes. Bonds today sold off. We have a big, we popped high. Now we're coming down. The banks did not really participate. They kind of just were blah. Energy, same thing. Not much going on. The SMHs had a nice little bounce today. They were led by names like AVGO. AVGO continues to show relative strength, holding the 200-day, but needs to close above the 8-day. It was above it here, now right back onto it into the close. NVDA, nice bounce, but didn't take even to the 8-day yet. AMD still continues to hold this all-important 95 area. Went below it briefly today before bouncing back. When you look around at everything else out there, crypto coin showed relative strength today, but couldn't really break above anything. Same thing with MSTR, right? Just kind of inside days there, no real power. BABA continues to be extremely strong, pulled that gap from yesterday, holding in well, hasn't hit the 21-day, holding above the 8-day here. Tesla had a nice little bounce today, but overall, in the grand scheme of things, not that great. Down to 217. I made money long it today. I lost money long it today. I made money shorting it today. Tesla's providing great trades in both directions. Still hasn't reclaimed any kind of levels yet. And until it does, it potentially is a short in this market. We'll see. Microsoft had one of the better days here after putting a new 52-week low in. Amazon has been testing 200 and the 200-day all day and unable to break and hold it. Meta had a nice bounce earlier, but still no levels reclaimed, needs to get back above 620. Netflix got a nice big bounce, so they came running back for tech. By the way, guys, Walmart and Apple here alerting late today. And Apple was wick bad today. So Apple was one of the names they were looking at, and they were all over, and now they're selling it here today. They also, IBM put a new all-time high, gave it all back and then some today. McDonald's, the same thing. So, they're really not looking to hold these names up. Maybe they're seeing something here. They're moving out of these safety names. But overall, market overall remains tough here. And we'll see where we are come in the morning. For everybody in the room, I'll open up the room early. If you guys want to join us here, I'll leave a link in the description below. Everybody have a wonderful, wonderful evening.